Starbucks.
Yeah, please, thank you for calling Costa Coffee. Loughborough speaking. Hello.
Oh, hello there. Is that Costa hello?
It's Costa Coffee, yeah.
Oh, hello. I was in yesterday. I was in yesterday, and I was wondering whether you'd found my underneath the I was sitting out there yesterday.
Right.
And I was just wondering whether you'd come across my wallet.
Your wallet? I'll have a look for you, sir. See if I've had anything handed in. I haven't had anything handed in, sir.
You found it?
No, we haven't, sir. We haven't had one handed in.
Oh, that's great news. Would I be able to come down to come and collect it?
No, sir, we haven't had one handed in. We haven't got it at all, sir.
Hey, I see. Yeah. Oh, you did not had one in then?
No, I'm afraid not, sir.
I can't think where else I've gone for that then.
Like I say, sir, I'm sorry, we just haven't had one handed in at all.
Well, I'll tell you where I was. I was just out on the yesterday.
Yeah, we haven't had anything handed in, sir, I'm afraid.
But I was just on the chairs outside.
Yeah, we haven't had anything, sir. I'm sorry.
But it was a little black one.
No, sir, we haven't had anything in. If we would have had it in, it would have been handed in last night when we tidied up, and it's not been handed in, sir.
Have you not? Oh no. Have you seen it anywhere though?
No, we haven't, sir. I'm afraid. I'm sorry.
Oh. Okay. This is not. Okay. I can try and find it somewhere else, I suppose, can't I?
Yeah, I'm afraid you're going to have to try somewhere else, sir.
Okay. Sorry. What was your name again?
I'm Paul. I'm duty manager.
Okay. David.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't know you got in there.